Tired of begging your parents for Robux? I'm going to show you how to use Cash App to get those sweet Robux on your iPhone. First, make sure you have sufficient funds in your Cash App account. You can add money from your bank account using the Add Cash option on the Cash App home screen. Now, exit Cash App and go to the App Store on your iPhone. Search for Roblox and open the Roblox app if you already have it installed. If not, download and install it first. Once Roblox is open, tap on the Robux icon at the top of the screen. Choose the amount of Robux you want to buy. For this example, we will select the smallest amount available. The Apple payment prompt will appear. You should see your Cash App card listed as a payment method. If you don't see it, tap on the payment method listed. Then select Cash App card. If you still don't see it, you'll need to add it to your Apple Wallet in your iPhone settings first. After you have successfully selected Cash App card, confirm your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Once the payment is confirmed, the Robux will be added to your Roblox account instantly. Now you can go buy that cool new item.